13 of NCERT book. Find tan P minus cot R, and it is given PQ is equal to 12 centimeter and PR is equal to 13 centimeter. Applying Pythagoras theorem for triangle PQR, we obtain PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square, and PR is 13 and PQ is 12, and we have to find QR square. So QR square is 169 minus 144, that is 25 centimeter square. So QR is 5 centimeter. QR is 5 centimeter. If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Let triangle ABC be right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Then, given that sin A is equal to 3 by 4, that is BC by AC is equal to 3 by 4. Let BC be 3K. Therefore, AC is equal to 4K. Where K is positive integer. K is a positive integer. You must write it. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, मैं जो देखता हूँ साइन ए रेशियो है 3 by 4 का, तो रेशियो क्या है? ये सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म है, इसीलिए कॉमन फैक्टर तो कट गया. वही कॉमन फैक्टर को हम के मान लिए. क्या मान लिए? के मान लिए. इसलिए बहुत किताब नहीं लिखता है, बहुत स्टूडेंट भी नहीं लिखता है. यू मस्ट राइट बी सी इज इक्वल टू 3K, देयरफॉर ए सी इज इक्वल टू 4K, वेयर K इज एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. So this step is very, very important. You must write it. Keep in your mind. Now applying Pythagoras theorem, we in triangle ABC we obtain AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is AB square plus 3K square. That is 4K square. So AB square is equal to 7K square. So AB is equal to root 7K. You must write K. So cos A is equal to AB by AC. So root 7 by K, root 7 into K by 4K, that is root 7 by 4. And tan A is equal to BC by AB. So 3K by root 7K, that is 3 by root 7. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, जो बात हम यहाँ कहना चाहते हैं, अक्सर बच्चे यूनिट ऑफ द रेशियो नहीं मानते हैं. आंसर तो आ जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर एक कंसेप्ट में बहुत बड़ी भ्रांति हो जाती है. sin A is equal to 3 by 4. What does it mean? रेशियो हमेशा सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म है, इसलिए कॉमन फैक्टर कट गया. तो कॉमन फैक्टर तो हम लिखे नहीं, लेकिन हम ऐसे भी बना देंगे 3 by 4. तो sin A is equal to P by H, तो B निकाल लेंगे. तो B तो निकल गया, सवाल बन गया, लेकिन यहाँ भयंकर भयंकर भूल है. इसीलिए हमेशा याद रखो कि BC is equal to not 3 but 3K, and AB is not 4, AC is not 4 but 4K. इस तरह हम सवाल बनाएंगे और सही सही आंसर आपको निकलने पर ही नंबर मिलेगा. मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये एक्सरसाइज का ये सवाल बहुत ही हल्का है. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियो, यदि एक ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियो दिया हुआ है तो दूसरा निकालिए, और उस पर कुछ सवाल है तो उससे आराम से बनाइए, ये अच्छे से बनेगा. आप बार बार वीडियोज को देखिए, सवाल को बनाइए, फेयर नोट्स बनाइए, यही तरीका है आगे बढ़ने का. अब हम दूसरा सवाल, प्रॉब्लम नंबर 6. तो प्रॉब्लम नंबर 6 का एक मेथड जो अभी हम डिस्कस नहीं करना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि उसमें ज्योमेट्री इन्वॉल्व है, हम अल्टरनेटिव मेथड से सवाल को बनाते हैं. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 6 NCERT का, किसका? NCERT. और स्टडी मटेरियल का प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4. इफ एंगल ए एंड बी आर एक्यूट एंगल्स, ए और बी कैसा एंगल है? एक्यूट एंगल. सच दैट cos of angle A is equal to cos of angle B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. इसमें ज्योमेट्री इन्वॉल्व करके ही बन सकता है, और बिना ज्योमेट्री इन्वॉल्व करके भी हम बनाने का कोशिश किए हैं पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करके. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, हियर angle A is equal to cos of angle A is equal to cos of angle B. Cos A is equal to how much? AD by AC, base by hypotenuse. Cos B is equal to, similarly, this is BD is base and AB is, BC is hypotenuse. So now AD by BD, ऊपर ऊपर वाले का रेशियो ले लिए, नीचे नीचे वाले का रेशियो ले लिए, ये ले ही सकते हैं. So AD by BD is equal to AC by BC. Both ratios are equal. So we write here, this is equal to K. Now AD is equal to K into BD and AC is equal to K into BC. Using Pythagoras theorem for triangle CAD and CBD we obtain. देख रहे हो CD दोनों में कॉमन है. CD राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ADC में और राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल BDC में दोनों कॉमन है. तो दोनों राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल से हम CD का मान निकाल लिए. So CD square is equal to AC square minus AD square, and also CD square is equal to BC square minus BD square. Both are the value of CD square. So we can equate it. Now AC square minus AD square is equal to BC square minus BD square. And AC is equal to, we have just written KBC, and AD is equal to KBD. So we have K square is equal to 1 and K is equal to 1. In this way, we find here the value of K. Now putting this value in equation second, we have, what is in equation second? Equation second is AC is equal to KBC and K is 1. So AC is equal to BC, and you know that if AC is equal to BC, then angle in front of the side BC and in front of the side AC are also equal. So angle A is equal to angle B. In this way we have to prove. So this problem is very, very important. You must solve this problem again and again and watch the videos again and again. Now, my dear student, we want to solve problem number 7 of NCERT and problem number 5 of study material. What is given in this problem? If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. First, you find, evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And also find the value of cot square theta. My dear student, ABC is a triangle and theta is a acute angle. And what is given? AB is 8 and BC is 7. Cot theta is equal to B by P. Cot theta is equal to B by P. So BC is base and AB is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. So cot theta is equal to BC by AB. That is 7 by 8. Now in triangle, if BC is 7K, then AB will be 8K, where K is a positive integer. Now applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, we obtain AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And it will be 8K whole square plus 7K whole square. And it will be 64K square plus 49K square. And it will be 130K, 13K square. So AC is equal to how much? Root over 113 by K. Now sin theta is equal to AB by AC. So it will be 8K by 100 root 13K. That is 8 by root 113. Cos theta is equal to BC by AC. That is 7K by root over 113K. That is 7 by root over 113. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. The value of sin theta is 8 by root over 113 whole square. And value of cos theta is equal to 7 by root 113 whole square. So it will be 1 minus 64 by 113 and 1 minus 49 by 113. And after simplifying, we have 49 by 64. And cot square theta is equal to cot theta whole square. And it will be 7 by 8 whole square is equal to 49 by 64. In this way, you can solve this problem. Now I hope you have understood me, you have followed me. Now, problem number 9 of NCERT and problem number 6 of this study material. My dear student, what is given in this problem? In triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin B, sin C. Second is cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. Now, my dear student, ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B, and tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. So tan A is equal to what? BC by AB. BC is equal to 1 unit and AB is equal to root 3. So if BC is equal to K, then AB will be root 3K, where K is positive integer. You must write this step in problem of trigonometrical ratio. Now in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That will be root 3K whole square plus K square. That will be 3K square plus K square. That will be 4K square. So AC is equal to 2K. Now sin A is equal to BC by AC is equal to K by 2K is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, cos A is equal to AB by AC, that is root 3K by 2K, that is root 3 by 2. Sin C is equal to AB by AC, that is root 3K by 2K, that is root 3 by 2. And cos C is equal to BC by AC, that is K by 2K, that is half. Now my dear student, we will find here the value of sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Sin A is equal to half, cos C is equal to half, cos A is equal to root 3 by 2, and sin C is equal to root 3 by 2, and it will be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, and it will be 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Similarly, cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. Value of cos A is equal to root 3 by 2. Value of cos C is equal to half. Value of sin A is equal to half. Value of sin C is equal to root 3. So you have root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 is equal to 0. In this way, we have solved so many problems of this exercise. I hope you have followed me, and you will solve now. After solving this problem and doing rigorous practice, you would be able to solve the problem of another book also. Thank you very much.